Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy. My name is Ashish, and this is another session on data interpretation and logical reasoning for which is relevant for students who are preparing for CAT 2022 and for OMITS 2023. Guys, let's start our session. Let me introduce myself. A very brief introduction of mine. Okay, yes. So my name is Ashish. I'm an external faculty. Got 10 years of teaching experience now. Where is my pen? Mhm. Got roughly 10 years of teaching experience. Moving ahead, guys. Let's start with the most important thing. Guys, we are launching this batch, the Game Changers batch. And this actually could be a game changer in your preparation for CAT 2022. This is the last chance wherein we are going to cover the entire syllabus in roughly 14 weeks. This is a 14 weeks course wherein we will cover entire quantitative, verbal, and DILR. All the top educators of the country will take care of this batch. This batch started on 28th of July, and this will conclude somewhere in the second week of November. This batch has everything that you need. So if you have not started your preparation yet, you guys can be a part of this batch. Okay, sure. Let's move ahead. Also, we have this another batch on 30th. This is for CAT 2023, a basic batch for CAT 2023. Again, the top educators of the country, and this batch will be concluded by December 2023. Okay, OMITs are also taken care of in this batch. Everything is taken care of in this batch. I'm perfectly visible and audible, na? Bolo yes, sir. Yes, sir. Speaking of plus features, guys, the feature that we offer in plus is you get digital notes, you get unlimited access to all the batches. There is absolutely no limitation in the number of batches you join, you attend. All the batches are live. If you miss some live session, the batches are available in recorded form as well. We give you structured PDF. Everything is there. Iconic is more of personalized stuff, wherein you get 1:1 attention in GDPI, 1:1 attention in mentorship, 1:1 doubt clearing sessions are there. Oh, we help you personalized. We conduct personalized profile building sessions. Everything is there, but personalized. Also, you'll get hard copy of the notes if you subscribe for Iconic. We have this offer running till today, till 29th. And the offer is you'll be getting uh, huge discounts plus additional months. Yes, you are getting 20% discount on all our subscription prices plus up to 6 months of extension on our selected subscriptions. So you guys can check this out. You will save up to 40%, 20% in terms of price and 20% in terms of extension. Up to 40% you can save it, but this offer lasts today only. This is what I was mentioning. You can save up to 40%. You guys only need to subscribe through Learner app. Do check the prices, the final prices on the Learner app. You can save up to 40%. These are the prices mentioned in this slide. Also, we are offering sample notes for CAT. All you need to do is to fill this form. The link of the form is in the description. You can fill from there as well. Fill in this form, your phone number, email ID. You will be sent the sample notes by which you can check out the quality of content that we offer on Unacademy. So let's move to a wonderful session on traditional crafts. Traditional crafts, since last 3-4 years, have been very important from actual CAT point of view. Every year there is a question from traditional graph. When I say traditional graph, what do I mean? When I say traditional graph, what do I mean? I strictly mean these four. First is tables. Second is bar graphs. Third is line graph. Fourth is pie chart. And fifth could be miscellaneous. Maybe spider, maybe 3D, maybe web. Okay, there is always a question from last 3-4 years in all the slots from one of these topics, and these are very easy. These questions are very must-to-do questions. Got it? So on the same line, we'll have some practice over traditional crafts. So without wasting much of your time, study this table, guys, and answer the following question. Study this table and answer the following question. study this table and answer the following question. Uh, the discussion to this question starts somewhere around 6:11 or 6:12. Discussion starts at 6:12 p.m. Okay, you have 2 minutes to figure this out. Attempt this and solve this. So those who are here solving this question, drop a message hi in the comment box. Drop a message hi in the comment box. Attempt the question. You guys have roughly 1.5 minutes left. So we have this table wherein we have 6 colleges. The number of students data is given in the form of tables for 13, 14, 14, 15 and 15, 16. 3 consecutive years. Total number of students is mentioned. Number of female students is mentioned. So if all those data and some data is missing, based on that, you have to answer the given question. अरे नहीं सुप्रिया, that is not the case. I haven't. Come on. So in 2014, 15, so time is up, I believe. Time's up. Let's attempt the question. Okay. So what do we have? Let's understand the table first. What do we have? Let us take the example of college A. Let us take the example of college A. Now in college A in 13-14, total 480 students appeared, out of which 45% were female. So remaining 55% must be male. Of 480, there are female students and there are female students. Of 480, 45% are female students. So remaining 55% must be male. Now it is 45% of 480, that is 240 minus 24. Yes, 240 minus 24 or 240 plus 264 is number of males and 216 is number of females. So we can figure out number of males and number of females if total number of students and percentage of female students is given. If not, we will have to check the given condition and solve accordingly. In this question, in year 14-15, among the total number of students who appeared for the examination from college B, okay, from college B, we are not sure of how many students appeared. Let us say X students appeared. Of college B, the difference between the number of male and female candidates was 114. Or let us say total 100 X candidates appeared from college B in 14-15. A total of 100 X students appeared in college B in 2014-15. Okay, out of which 40% are female, remaining 60% would be male. So 60x male candidates are there, 40x female candidates are there. 60x male candidates are there, 40x female candidates are there. So the difference between them is 20x. So the difference between them is 20x. And this 20x is given as 114. This is given as this 20x is as good as 114. Got it? What we have to solve? We have to figure out the total number of students who appeared. So I'm looking for the value of 100x. I know that 20x is 114. If 20x is 114, how much would be 100x? It would be 114 cross 5. 570 was the answer to the question. 570 was the answer to the question. So we solved this question assuming total number of students. You could have assumed anything, but we make such an assumption which reduces the complexity of the solution. So we assumed that total number of students were 100x, number of male students would be 60x then, and number of female students would be 40x then. The difference between them would be 20x, which is as good as 114 is given in the question. So 100x would be, which is asked would be 114 cross 5, 570. Let's move to the next question. Try this. Try this. Try this. Okay, the discussion to this question starts at 6:19. The discussion to this question starts at 6:19. Answer this question, hashtag 2 and then your answer. Answer this question, boys. Guys, those who are present, drop message hi in the comment box and solving this question. Udit says C. C. Let's check that out. The time is almost up. In fact, it's up. The ratio of number of students that appeared for the examination in college C in 13-14 and 15-16 was in the ratio. College C. So अगर इसको x बोला, x and this y. So this x by y is 13:17. This x is to y is 13:17. Okay, the best way to represent is, let us consider this to be 1300x and this to be 1700x. 1300x and 1700x. Fine. So this has been taken care of. The total number of male students that appeared for the examination from college C in 2013-14 and 15-16 was 712. अच्छा, total male candidates. These are number of female candidates. 35% is number of female candidates. Male candidates would be 65%. Here male candidates would be 55%. What is total male candidates? Total male candidates would be 0.65 times 1300 plus 0.55 times 1700. Bolo yes sir. Total male candidates would be 0.65 times 1300 and 0.55 times 1700. और देख लेते हैं क्या है वैल्यू. I'll use calculator for quick calculations. So it's 0.65 times 1300. This gives me 845. 845 means plus it's 0.55 times 1700. 935. This is 1780x. So total number of male candidates are 1780x, and this is given to be 712. I can proudly write this to be 712. This to be 712. So x is nothing but 712 divided by 1780. Got it? 17 for the 68, 8 for the 32. It goes in 0.4 times. So x का वैल्यू क्या निकल के आ गया बेटा? x का वैल्यू फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज 0.4. x का वैल्यू फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज 0.4. What's the final question? What is the total number of students that appeared in the examination? Now total number of students that appeared in the examination is 3000x. 1300x plus 1700x, 3000x. So 3000 cross 0.4, 1200 is the correct answer to the question. Not C but B. Not C but B. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? If I am clear with this, mention in the comment box hashtag clear. If not, mention hashtag doubt. If I am clear with this, mention hashtag clear. If not, okay, sure. We'll stop here for today. We'll meet again in the next